Hello, trading is closed on June the 12th, 2017. My last call said I thought the change in trend times today would be pretty much the same as they were Thursday, and you can see the pattern of the early low, rally in the middle of the day, a drop, and then rally into the close. Same thing. This is a pattern which almost always closes at today's high. That didn't happen. When it fails to happen, almost always we'll see a gap up the next day and fulfill the pattern. Failing to break out to a new high tomorrow is very negative, but I think that will happen, even though the overall pattern here I think is pretty bleak. The reason I think it'll happen is we have the opposite of what we had Friday. Friday we had a breakout to a new high and the close couldn't hold on to any of the highs. Here we have a breakout to a new low. Close can't hold on to any of the lows. It's a positive pattern, but it's invalidated if we gap down sharply and undercut these lows early. During the day, MEJT gave a buy. It said it was weak, but it still worked. No new MEJT targets. I still have this one. I'd be happier if it didn't print, but I have nothing precluding it from printing, and if it prints, there's resistance over it. I have my timing system, which I'm still testing. Gives me dates of June 13th, 16th, and 17th. That's a major cluster coming up in the next few days, along with the Fed meeting. It would make a very pretty picture if we topped out in conjunction with those dates. And the next date I have is June 26th, and I'd love it if we rallied here and then dropped right to June 26th. But again, I don't have anything requiring it since I'm still testing the system. So for tomorrow, failing to gap up is very negative. If we do gap up, I think we'll drop into the bottom of the first hour, rally into lunch. I don't know if we're going to have a lot of action right ahead of the Fed meeting, but I'm still looking for a major top in this area followed by a very significant drop before long. And that's today's call.